Imagine a world where mind uploading is real, not just copying your data, but a perfect, seamless transfer of every memory, every thought, every emotion you've ever had into a brand new, physically distinct body. Maybe it's a clone, maybe it's an android. The person looking out through those new eyes remembers your childhood, knows your friends, and feels your pain. The question is, are you still you? For centuries, philosophers have wrestled with personal identity. The most famous proponent of the memory view was John Locke. Locke argued that identity isn't tied to your physical matter, or even your soul. It's tied to your consciousness, specifically your ability to remember your past experiences. You are the continuous thread of memory, linking the child you were to the adult you are today. If the entire memory file, the you data, is moved, then you must follow the data. The new body is just the latest hard drive. You are your biography. But wait, if identity is only memory, we run into problems. What about your physicality? Your identity is shaped by the subtle ways your original body interacts with the world. The muscle memory of playing guitar, the neurological pathways of your specific voice, the hormonal reactions of your original brain. When you wake up in the new body, you might remember how to drive a car, but the new hands won't know the feel of the steering wheel. Your habits, reflexes, and physical skills are tied to the old body's wiring. The physical vessel isn't just a container, it's an active co-creator of identity. Here's the true paradox. Did you transfer yourself, or did you just create a perfect copy and murder the original? If the original body is now empty, a blank slate, did you truly leave it? Or is the copy in the new body merely an echo, a duplicate with a full memory set, but lacking the original spark of continuous consciousness? The moment of the transfer creates two possibilities. Either the consciousness moved, or the consciousness ended, and a new one was born with identical history. If you destroy the original, you can't prove the difference. This is the ship of Theseus paradox applied to the mind. If you replace one memory, one thought, or one cell at a time over your entire life, the change is gradual. We accept that you are still you at 80, despite every cell being new. This is ship scenario 1. But our thought experiment is ship scenario 2. The entire identity, every plank, is instantly transferred to a new vessel, while the old vessel is instantly rendered empty. The difference between the continuous process of life and the instantaneous transfer is the crux of the problem. Did the original consciousness end and the copy simply begin, perfectly mimicking the original? Or was the consciousness itself transported, defying our understanding of physics? So, would you still be you? If you believe in the memory theory, the answer is yes. If you believe identity requires physical continuity or an untransferred non-physical soul, the answer is no. You'd be a digital ghost haunting a new machine. Your identity is either a software program that can be moved, or it's the hardware it runs on that can only be copied. Which one do you think you are? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more deep dives into philosophical dilemmas, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.